Coconut oil is one essential oil that everybody in the family needs. It's good for your hair, it's good for skin, it's good for digestion, it's good for clean teeth. If you don't need it, your husband will need it, your children will need it, your wife will need it. So without wasting much of your time, let me show you how to make this oil quick and easy. For the coconut oil, I use 9 pieces of strong coconut. To get the best quality oil, you need strong coconut. So first, for easy removal of the coconut, put on your gas and place the coconut on the fire. Turn each side at least 3 or 4 minutes. This will make it easier and more faster for you. Break all your coconuts into a bowl. Remove the flesh from the back. I remove it one by one, and when I'm done with this process, the next thing I have to do is to wash the coconuts thoroughly and transfer and start cutting into thin sizes. Especially if you are not using an industrial blender, you have to cut into very tiny bits. So, transfer your coconut into your blender and add enough water for blending. So after blending the coconut well, then add enough water into your blended mixture. Start sieving out the waters from the shaft. Do this for all the coconut until the whole water has been fully extracted. The next thing after this is to transfer into a transparent bowl. You will get white. So when you are done, receive it again because there can be some tiny shaft. So when everything is set, cover it and let it settle down until the 2 layer is formed, like you can see in the video. The milk will be on top while the water will be down. So after that, then you can now transfer into the freezer. The reason why we are transferring into the freezer is because it will be easier for the milk to be easily picked out. But on this day, NEPA fuck up themselves. They said national grid collapse. After waiting for about 12 hours and no progress, I decided to remove it, and by this time, everything has been fully separated. So I just scoop out the milk on top and then water down. I transfer into the pot. Assuming there was light to separate it, it will take lesser time. Just place it on the fire and reduce the heat to the barest minimum. Like you wouldn't want it to get burnt. While the coconut oil is cooking, let's talk about the benefits of coconut oil. 1, for skin health. Coconut oil can moisturize the skin, helping to reduce dryness and irritation. It has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, making it useful for skin healing, soothing sunburn, and preventing some signs of aging. It also helps to strengthen hair and reduce protein loss, especially in damaged hair. Coconut oil helps to reduce dandruff and improve scalp health, providing moisture and protecting against damage from styling or sun exposure. It's also good in digestive health. It contains antimicrobial property, which helps to balance gut bacteria and reduce inflammation, which can aid digestion, thereby helping with weight management. It's also good for brain health. You see, coconut oil is more than oil. It contains a lot. People who want to really lose weight are advised to use coconut oil instead of vegetable oil in cooking of their food. Finally getting dry. I'm not far away from it because I don't want it to get burnt. So though the heat is low, you still have to stir continuously. So when the whole oil is on top floating like this, coconut oil is ready. Sieve it with your fine mesh. Sieve it and extract as much oil as possible. So I think the oil in the plate so clean and pure, like cold pressed. Press out every of the oil and allow this to cool down. So you can see some small particles in the oil. I have to sieve that again so that everything will be out of the oil. The next thing I have to do is to transfer into my container. So at the end of the day, I use this oil on my hair. I also use some to mix up my cream because it's that time of the year again, Harmattan season. So if you watch this time, thank you very much. If you are new here, you are welcome. So if you haven't subscribed, kindly do, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you can get notified each time I drop new video. So until next weekend I come your way again, God bless you and